How to delete background in InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a background on InShot video editor. Now the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to open up InShot, and then you want to add a new background. Now first you want to add a background that you wish to add to the video. Now I'll just open up a quick video here. I'll just select. Now next thing what you want to do is you can increase the length of it if you want. Now you want to simply open up the video or the picture or the image that you wish to delete the background from. For that you want to simply tap on peep option, and then you want to select the video. I'll just select a quick video here. Now once you select a video, what you want to do here is, now I'll just select up this video. Right now you can see the video has been loaded. You want to simply swipe to the options here to the right and select the option chroma here. So once you tap on chroma, you want to simply select the part that you wish to remove the background, and once you tap on it, you can adjust it by increasing the shadows and increasing the strength as well. And this way you can see, now you can drag it to the left or right, and you can make it small or you can reduce the size. And if you play it, you can see the background will be removed. Now in this case it's not being removed. I'll just remove it again here. Just tap on chroma option and then select the background that you wish to remove, and you can add the strength and you can remove the shadows and tap on it, and now here you can see the background will be removed. So this way you can remove a background in InShot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.